Learn Hindi here and there.
यहाँ,
And.
वहाँ.
Welcome to Here and There. Hey, you are in the right place. Today you will learn 2 tiny Hindi words that can save you from giant confusion. Meet your stars. Here is.
यहाँ,
And there is.
वहाँ.
These words are small, but they do a lot of heavy lifting. If your phone is missing, your tea is ready, or your friend is pointing wildly like a game show host, you need.
यहाँ,
And.
वहाँ.
Your first 2 power words. Let's make these words feel easy right away. Listen, repeat, and imagine pointing like a very dramatic actor. Here, in Hindi is.
यहाँ,
Point near your feet and say.
यहाँ,
There, in Hindi is.
वहाँ,
Stretch your arm outward and say.
वहाँ.
Quick contrast.
यहाँ,
Means here, while.
वहाँ.
Means there. Tiny warning, big success, do not mix them up.
यहाँ,
Is close to you.
वहाँ.
Is away from you. Funny scene in a messy room. Now picture a room so messy it deserves its own documentary. You are about to solve the mystery with Hindi. You walk in and shout, "Where are my keys?" Your friend rolls their eyes, points to the table beside you, and says the keys are.
यहाँ,
2 seconds later, you ask, "And my bag?" Your friend points across the room with the wisdom of an exhausted wizard and says it is.
वहाँ.
Congratulations. You are not lost. Your stuff is just learning Hindi before you are. Useful mini sentences. You do not need long speeches yet. Just grab a few practical lines and use them immediately. I am here. Hindi, mame.
यहाँ,
Hum, come here. Hindi,
यहाँ,
ow, the keys are here. Hindi, kabayam.
यहाँ,
Hayam, the book is there. Hindi, kataba.
वहाँ.
Hi, look there near the door. Hindi, darives kpaas.
वहाँ.
Deco, memory tricks that actually stick. Let's glue these words into your brain with silly images. Silly is good. Silly survives. 4.
यहाँ,
Imagine a giant glowing arrow pointing at your shoes and shouting, "Right here." 4.
वहाँ.
Imagine a dramatic cat across the room acting like a tour guide and pointing with one paw.
वहाँ.
Think of a map pin 4.
यहाँ,
And a distant arrow 4.
वहाँ.
If you forget, use your body. Touch near you 4.
यहाँ,
Point away 4.
वहाँ.
Tiny dialogue, big win. Now let's hear the words in a mini conversation. You can repeat both parts if you want. A. Where are you? B. I am.
यहाँ,
A. Where is my bag? B. It is.
वहाँ.
Near the window. A. Should I sit here? B. Yes, sit.
यहाँ,
A. Is the bus stop there? B. Yes.
वहाँ.
Call and response drill. Time to answer fast. I say the English word and you say the Hindi word before I do. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. Here.
यहाँ,
There.
वहाँ.
Here.
यहाँ,
There.
वहाँ.
Come here.
यहाँ,
Ow. The book is there. Kataba.
वहाँ.
Hi. Quick quiz time. Let's see if your brain is awake. If not, please gently knock on it. How do you say, here, in Hindi?
यहाँ,
How do you say, there, in Hindi?
वहाँ.
What does
यहाँ,
mean? Here. What does
वहाँ.
mean? There. Fill the blank. I am underscore 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 underscore.
यहाँ,
Fill the blank. The chair is underscore 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 underscore.
वहाँ.
Real life tip. Now let's make this useful outside your headphones. These words appear everywhere in daily life. In a busy Indian market, someone may wave you closer and say stand.
यहाँ,
Or a shopkeeper may point to another counter and mean
वहाँ.
Once you know these two words, simple directions suddenly sound much less like magic spells. Final challenge and goodbye. You made it. Before you go, do one last challenge with confidence. Point to your seat and say.
यहाँ,
Point across the room and say.
वहाँ,
Now say both.
यहाँ, वहाँ.
Amazing work. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, use these words in real life, and come back soon for more Hindi. Your progress is not over there somewhere vague. It starts right
यहाँ